So when do we use learning teams? So I would say that anytime we want to learn more, whether it was an actual incident, a quality escape, could be a near miss or near hit, whatever you call them, good catch, could be an engineering challenge. As an engineer, I love using learning teams where I've got the people that have to build it, maintain it, repair it, right? Those guys, and the people that are designing it. I like to bring them all together because the designers are brilliant, but they don't know what the guy who manufactures it knows. They don't know what the guy who repairs it knows because they don't go out and repair them. They don't go out and build them. So you can use it for engineering challenges. Really important to study success. You can do them around successful operations and see if, in fact, we're as good as we think we are. I think really the only place I don't see much of a use for a learning team is around criminal behavior. Because I don't know that I'm trying to understand the criminal mind, because I don't know that I want to understand the criminal mind. But if we're hiring a bunch of criminals, I might want to do a learning team on why are we hiring so many criminals. But I think in reality, that's the only thing I've seen that this doesn't really fit with, is like criminal intent, someone setting out to cause harm.